Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of August. I won't be reading it for any specific section, love, career, whatever messages comes we'll take. Let's see what your month has. Let's see. Okay. Fine, Virgo. Alright, so this month looks good. Get out of your wall. Don't build walls around you. I know you don't see what is coming. I know you don't know what to do. You are in a phase, it's the start of the month where you have an offer. It could be a job or a business offer. You don't know. You're still deciding. You could have, gotten many offers. But the bigger one, there's a lot of change which is taking you to abundance. There's a lot of change happening which is taking you to wish fulfillment. Whatever you wished for always is going to happen this month, and you will get a lot of happy surprises bit by bit. In terms of money, in terms of relationship, I think this month is good, but get out of your head is what I'm trying to tell you. Don't hold on to something which is not serving you. Just don't hold on to things because they are comfortable. Let go of the stubborn nature, and there's a lot of things which are waiting for you. You just need to let go. Magician card, beautiful card. So let's see what else. Yeah. So it's very clear that your head, you are toxic for your own self, right? You are somewhere proving toxic for your own good. Universe wants to give you so much more, provided you get out of your head, you get out of your stubbornness, you be open to change. Because I see that you are into this toxic connection or toxic thought process which is not serving you well, right? So Justice card is here, Queen of Cups is here. See, the change is bound to happen, and you don't even know what is there, at the end of the tunnel, and just trust the universe and let it happen. Just trust the universe and just let go of the control that you feel you have on your life. Let us see some major arcana cards. Yeah, star card coming twice. What did I say? Justice and judgment. What did I say, Virgo? You really, death. See, you really need to get out of your head, end all this drama which is going on in your head. You are, whatever you wished for is coming true. Whatever you deserve is coming true. Whatever you actually, have deep inside you, that need, that somewhere in your life you must have wished for it, and it is now coming true. Get out of that comfort zone. Let things happen on you're not in control. Sorry, even if you feel you are not in control. So don't let that thought even come near you. And this is a wonderful month, Virgos. I can't say, I'm stress mode. Star card coming twice, judgment coming twice, death and devil. So you need to, it's very clear that universe wants you to let go of your toxic trait or a person or a situation which is stopping you, because you need to get out of that and just follow and see where the universe takes you. It's just abundant. All the best. I'm very happy for you. If you liked what I do subscribe. Thank you for watching.